Hey guys, today I'm here playing MineFighter. MineFighter is a game where it's like walls, except it's better.
It is the walls?
It's not the walls, but it's better than the walls.
Oh.
Just start the recording, dude.
What?
Start the recording, dude.
Okay. Wait, I need to put my skull on.
Oh yeah, I need to do that too. Yay, skull!
Do you have a skull tula?
I have a skull tula.
Hey guys!
He's doing his intro because he's a noob.
Pop
And you
here.
didn't start recording when you were supposed to.
You get your power here, and Team Yellow has no one in it. Sad.
Well, at least it's better. At least
In
it's
your end, here's the inspiring plant.
the inspiring plant.
The inspiring plant.
Wow.
The
very
irony is
inspiring.
it's dead.
It's dead.
It's dead. You have made a crafting table? Can I borrow it so we can save wood?
It's not. I
Hey,
didn't.
what happened to Starry Night? Or whatever.
Starry Night wasn't in our team, dude.
Who was that then?
That was just some random person.
Who's gone now?
He's in maybe he's in another team.
Okay, let's start digging.
No, not yet. We need to do stuff.
I'll make some swords then. I'll prepare sticks.
Okay. Have you got wood?
Wood?
Yeah, we need
Yeah.
wood.
Wood. Yeah, Nurin,
What?
make sure you find diamonds.
Okay, I'll try.
There's some
I've
iron
only
up here.
ever found diamonds on MineFighter once, and it was really luck.
Hey, you know there's
And I lost because my teammate tried to spleef everybody because we were in a big room with lava.
Hey, there's some iron up here, you know.
Iron? Oh, gimme. I have an iron pickaxe.
I have no pick.
In the chest, I was lucky enough to get an iron pickaxe.
You look like me. Spider pig. You kind of remind me of me. My face.
That is such a disgrace. Because you are such a disgrace.
Mwahahaha.
Mwahaha. It's like Halloween.
Yeah, it is Halloween, I believe.
Oh no,
It's
you are
close.
so scary.
It's close to
Here, take my
Halloween.
candy. That is very dark.
This is the
candy.
opposite of Santa. This is the opposite of candy.
Yes, it
According
is.
to Santa law. But everyone knows that coal is good for money.
Make
Santa, you so
yourself,
silly.
make yourself a pickaxe.
I already have one.
Oh, okay, good.
Santa, you so silly.
Oh no, it ran out of fuel.
I put more fuel.
Okay, good.
How much iron you got?
What? I
6.
got 6. Yeah.
Pass me some. I'll make a sword.
Here.
That iron.
Yay. Okay, I'm gonna start digging in some direction. Here, I'll dig in this direction.
That's 2 swords. Alright, here you go. Your weapon of choice. Oh wait, happy
Thank you.
close Halloween, y'all. Oh wait, it's only to us, right? Wait, someone died?
What? So no? Oh, we probably just left.
Darken Eurolook was killed. So that's a 2v all now.
Yay.
2v2v2.
That's good.
The V2 fan. Wait.
The compass has been added to the inventory
Nearest player.
to see the nearest player.
Well, Naren, apparently you're my nearest enemy.
No, the nearest opposing player.
Maybe.
Oh, I need to find a place. We're doing so badly.
Really.
Oh, I found it! I found a place. There's mossy cobble.
Da-na-na-na. Oh. Oh, good.
Kill it.
Quickly! Where's your pickaxe? Let me borrow it. He's not even paying me. I have like 20 raging kids at me at the Kit PvP server.
Move.
You insulting me, bro? This is it?
That was a useless place.
Maybe there's a secret somewhere. Dude, this grass block looks really suspicious. Nope, it's not suspicious.
So the nearest enemy is above us.
Really?
Yeah, see, look. When I move my compass, or they can be below us, I don't know. But if we ambush them, that would be cool.
Yeah, like the armor we have. Attack them.
Yeah, but if we ambush them, we have a slight chance.
By the time we fight them, they're gonna have full diamond enchanted armor.
So then let's get building. Let's get set up base here or something. Okay, that means we can dig a straight pathway.
I'm gonna nerd pull up. Is that you? Bye.
I'm going up.
I'm sealing your exit.
Diamonds!
What?
No kidding, diamonds!
Where? Give me some of that. Wait, where are
That
you?
action. Two diamonds.
Who's gonna be the tank of the team?
Me.
What?
You have the armor.
Yeah, the armor. So I'm the tank, right?
Give me the what?
Am I
You're the tank. So I'm the. I don't know what it's called. The sweeper, I think.
So do I need to have some, like?
Get the crafting table.
So you get the sword?
What? Yeah, I get the sword.
Isn't it the tank that gets the good work?
What?
I thought the tank was the guy that gets the good
The
work.
tank is the guy with the good armor.
Oh, I don't have armor.
Yes, you do.
The irony is we just have a chest plate and a skull. Very,
Cookie.
very manly indeed. Slash
Diamond
all
sword.
XHCK rocks. You're my first victim.
Nerd bowling. You put it really? Who is XHCK Rock? Oh, that's nice.
Just
Come find me. Oh,
that challenge, bro.
challenge accepted. My cat. Is that a challenge, bro?
Wait, I can switch up his skin right here.
I can't see it.
I see your skin and you're alone.
I see your skin and you're alone.
You are alone? Your skin is very plain.
Dude, I saw a name tag for a little bit.
What about me? Why you leave me alone?
Your skin is very simple. Come on, nerd pole. Hurry up and nerd pole.
Where? Nipple where?
Up. Oh, I found cobblestone. This can't be good, can it? Well, I found more iron.
Dude, seriously though, in all seriousness, he is the first on the kill list.
Because he is the one team. If we kill him and he has like double full iron armor.
Oh, we do have a team member apparently who is not here.
What, we do?
Cat Malu does not exist. Dude, if you just look there, Cat Malu is not there.
Dude, the red team is directly above us.
Red.
Red.
Is that really red? Yeah, shocking red.
Come on, hurry up. Come on, nerd pole already. I need your furnace. And crafting.
I didn't bring it.
What the freaking? Okay, whatever. Actually, that's okay if you do bring it. As long as you bring the crafting table.
I didn't.
Mad?
I'm not mad, bro.
I told you. Oh, okay. That works.
I have 6 sticks of wood. That works.
That works.
Ambush. How far do I have to go?
Really far out. Not that far, actually. I'll help you a little bit. I'll try to help you.
Yes, dig for me.
Dig for you. Oh no, not there!
Freedom! Freedom!
Dude, Chip, the people are above us. They can see your name tag.
How are we gonna win now, dude? You think?
Yeah, but
do you have a diamond
I just
sword?
have. Yeah, I do have.
You have it?
Yeah.
Alright.
Place on the crafting table. I have some iron.
I'm gonna sacrifice
I have some iron I can smelt.
I'm gonna sacrifice myself.
Oh, what the?
Oh, gee. That was scary. Oh, I found Timmy's rest of the team.
Oh, whoa! Dude, look!
What?
Stack up, stack up, stack up. There's a place for us.
What? A base, dude. There's some iron here, run. Quick. Mine hit before we all die.
Place on the crafty table.
What crafting table? I found a tunic. You need
Your
it?
crafty table. Yeah, I need a tunic.
Yeah, I got a tunic. Where is it? And Ryan, don't you have a bow? Why'd you
What?
dye it?
Oh, I got flint and steel.
There's some,
Give me the tunic.
there's some iron on here.
Place it on the crafty table that you got.
Hey, you have a helmet.
What?
You have a helmet.
Yeah, you have an iron chest. Wait. Place it on the crafting table. Over
I have
there.
a bow and arrow now.
Oh, yay.
I'm gonna stand back. You be the tank now.
Okay.
Or do you want to be the archer? Tell me. Archer or tank?
I don't know. They're gonna ambush us. We need to get ready for them.
I have leggings. Right, now I just need a helmet. What's more important, a helmet or boots? Helmet, right?
Helmet, definitely.
Okay.
Oh, fudge.
They're here?
They're here.
They're here. Oh, dude.
Oh, but they have such bad stuff.
Oh, it's starting
I thought they would be like.
Phone.
I thought they would be like terrible and newbie.
I found boots. I got boots, dude.
Cool.
One of them had boots.
I thought they would be like
Hey,
so
did you
newbie.
find any gear from them?
No, not much. Nothing really.
I got
haven't.
boots.
Does flint and steel work? Yeah, it works. Cool.
Does it? Don't set fire. This entire place is made of wood.
Dude, there's an iron pickaxe for you. You can get it.
Yeah, shoot. I don't want mushrooms anymore. I can make. What can I make more mushrooms do? So we've just killed the red team. Dude, we killed each of them. Wait, can I say this?
What?
You...
Oh, fudge! Why is there lava?
It's gonna despawn, right?
Yeah, it will.
/ all x hck rocks. You are next. Dr. Star. What does he look like? You're fun. You're right, dude. This is fun.
Yeah, it is. See? Especially because we're winning so freaking much.
Dude, how much iron you got? I can
What?
make you leggings.
Leggings? I have leggings. Oh, no,
Oh.
I don't have leggings.
Wait, you don't?
No. I have one.
Who was that? Who's burning? What in the world? Dude, this is a dangerous spot to build. Here, around, have some leggings. Might as well get
What's that
geared up.
sound?
Someone dying or something dying.
It must be above us.
But it's definitely not rock sky.
Probably.
According to the compass, the nearest enemy is way that way.
How do you know it's way that way?
You'd think.
Doesn't say how far they are.
And then it's just somewhere there. So once we have fully geared up, let's go and kill him.
Oh, I have leggings now.
Then we win, right?
Yeah,
Who's
then we
gonna
win. No, but then... Yeah, I think we win.
We're
I don't
on a
know.
team already. Why would we start killing each other on a team?
Okay, probably, yeah.
Whoa. That is so dangerous.
Yeah, he's definitely above us. Yep, he's there.
What, really?
Yep.
He's trying to ambush us? Oh, OMG. Get him, get him! Da-da-da. No, wait, let me secretly
This is
nerd pull up
fine.
to him. Wait, man. No, sudden movement. Oh, dude, he's got lava buckets.
Of course he's got lava buckets.
So that's for
Oh, fudge! What the heck?
Ren.
Save me! Save my soul! Save my soul! What the heck? He's right here, dude! What are you doing? Get him! Get him!
Got him.
Yay!
GG, mate.
GG.
I finally killed the guy I wanted to kill. Which
You
Mario?
killed him.
That's one creepy Mario.
That's it. Well, I would have.
Well, thanks guys
I would
for
have
watching.
survived.
I
would have
finally had my
survived.
revenge.
I would have survived though, but you nerd pulled at the complete wrong moment.
This is so ironic. This guy's called Luigi and this guy's become Mario. Well then, this is the end of the episode. Thank you.
Thanks for watching.